Hey guys, it's Kairat here from Steps Academy. In this video we want to show you our location, where we're based. Right now we're in the heart of Causeway Bay, heart of Hong Kong. Very busy day today and Thursday afternoon. So we're here in Lee Garden 2. We provide services for high school students and for primary school students in maths and sciences, and we do it online and offline as well. So it's a sort of like a hybrid solution where you can get both online and offline at the same quality. So come along. I'm going to show our faces right here. And there are 12 elevators when you enter, and to the 11th floor, to our floor, there are only 6 elevators that that are accessible to our floor. So I'm gonna press number 11, we'll go up. So it's a hybrid solution and we do not have a huge overhead. We invest little into rent and so that we can keep the prices at an affordable rate, but at the same time the quality is as good as the full service learning centers. So come along, I'll show you. And once you enter this once you are on this floor, you'll see the 3 reception people. They are there to answer your questions and to help find our company. And once you become the student, you can just enter right away and go into our classroom. Let's go. So this is the common area where we meet the students and clients. Unfortunately, parents are not allowed to wait here, but we can have a short chat for 15 minutes. Just like this, common area, and our classroom is actually on that side, so let's go with me. Just like this, very bright, very suitable for the lessons. Very education friendly, looks very formal in my opinion. And then once we enter this room, here's our office. This office can fit up to 6 students. And let me actually take off my mask. Hi again. Usually our lessons are like 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 or 3-to-1. We don't really have that many students at once, but it can fit up to 6 students. And we serve maths, sciences, economics, business in IBDP, GCSE, SAC, A-levels, and those curricula. And for the students who are in Discovery Bay or Sai Kung or Tung Chung or in Tuen Mun, we do online lessons. And the quality is just as good as in office. So parents might think sometimes that online is has lots of distractions, but from my experience personally, when I was teaching online, it's just as good as in office because the students saves time, the students save time from traveling. So that's about our office, and we're located here in Causeway Bay again in Lee Garden 2. It's a hybrid solution again, where we provide offline and online lessons, and we focus primarily on online because we see that it actually works quite well, and the consumers, the students, the parents are ready for this solution. So we aim to be the leading private tutors in Hong Kong, and there's lots of work to be done, and your support is appreciated. Come support us if you believe in what we do, and let us help your kid to achieve the good grades. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.